Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the update and a fresh backup so you can roll back if needed. This prevents data loss. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active for seamless device pairing and downloads. Next, sign into your Apple ID and grant essential permissions in Settings, Location and Notifications, Power contextual features and widgets. These initial steps unlock the system-level changes of IPados 18 and set the environment for the actions. You'll now tailor the interface so IPados 18 works like a tool, not a toy. First, configure lock screen widgets and a focus so notifications match what you're doing. This reduces interruptions. Then arrange apps using Stage Manager or Classic Split View to run 2 or more apps at once. Drag windows to resize and create app groups. Finally, adjust Control Center and gesture shortcuts so common actions are one swipe or tap. This speeds workflows and reduces friction. You finish by validating continuity. Test handoff, sidecar, and universal control so your iPad integrates with other Apple devices. This confirms the ecosystem benefits. Next, update apps in the App Store and do a restart to commit system optimizations and clear caches. If something goes wrong, slow Wi-Fi or missing widgets, reset network settings first, and if needed, reinstall the update profile. This typically rectifies permission or connectivity glitches without erasing user data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.